Okay, good morning. Welcome to
Math Ideas 126.
26. And before we get started, actually, I just want to draw a little line down here. See what the bottom of the screen is. Just in case. Okay, actually, I did it pretty well. Okay, good. That's the bottom of the screen. Okay, you ready? Daddy leaves for an errand around 9:45 in the morning, and he gets home at 12:15 in the afternoon. How many hours and minutes was he gone? We have to wash our board again, don't we?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's getting a little dirty. Okay, so do you understand the problem?
Yeah.
Okay, tell me about this problem.
Well, Daddy leaves when at 9:45.
At 9:45 in the morning?
So that's a.m.
That's a.m., yeah, good job.
And gets home at 12:15 p.m.
He gets home at 12:15 p.m. And what are we trying to figure out?
We are trying to figure out how many hours and minutes was he gone.
How many hours and minutes was he gone? Okay.
Mm-hmm.
All right, so how do you think you want to do this one?
Well, we can make a chart.
Okay. What do you want to have in your chart?
Time, hours, and minutes.
Time, hours, and minutes. Okay. I'll tell you what, let me draw a little chart here so we can make sure we keep it on the screen. Okay. All right, so here we go. How about we'll put the time here, the hours here, and the minutes there. Okay? Does that make sense?
Mm-hmm.
All right, so where do you want to start? What time do you want to start? Unnecessarily complicated chart. Okay, go. What time do you want to start at?
9:45.
9:45? Okay. So write that in. $9:45. Okay. And how many hours has that been since the start?
0.
0. Why 0?
Because it says 9:45.
Right, because that's when we started. So our trip, Daddy's trip at 9:45 has been 0 hours. And how many minutes?
0.
0 minutes. Okay. All right. What's the next time you want to check?
Well, we could add on some things.
Yeah, we need to add on some things.
We could, how many hours could we add on? We could add on
Well, just keep it simple.
1 hour.
1 hour. Yeah, that's a good way to keep it simple.
So,
Well, add on 1 hour, and how many minutes do you want to add on? 1 hour and
1 hour, and I would say 10 minutes.
well, let's keep it simple. 1 hour and
5.
even simpler.
1 minute.
Even simpler. 1 hour and what's the simplest?
0.
Right, 1 hour and 0 minutes. We're going to add on 1 hour and 0 minutes. Okay, exactly 1 hour. And what time is it? If you add 1 hour and 0 minutes, what time is it now?
That would be 10:45.
10:45. Good job. All right, 10:45. What time do you want to check next?
Well, we can add on 1 hour again,
And how many minutes?
and just 0.
Okay, good. Again, we're going to add on 1 hour and 0 minutes, and that's going to bring us to
11:45.
11:45. Good. All right. Well, okay. So we added on an hour. Let's just keep track of how much we're adding instead of writing another 1 there. It's 2. Let's write a 2 there. So now we've added a total of 2 hours. So 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay. So 2 hours later, it's gone from 9:45 to 11:45.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. What do you want to add on next?
We can add on 1 hour. 1 hour, so that's 3 hours total.
That's 3 hours total. Okay. Put a 0 here. And what time is that going to get us to? 12:45. That's all right. 12:45. We've gone a little too far, but that's fine. That's fine to have in our chart.
Now we've got to go.
Oops. Now we got to go backwards.
How many minutes have we got to go backwards?
Yeah. How many minutes have we got to go backwards? Because we overshot by. But that's fine. It's fine. We went a little bit Too far, now we gotta back up. So how many minutes do we have to back up to go from 12:45 back to 12:15?
Well, if we back up 10, that'll get us to 12:35.
Right?
Then 12:25. Then 12:15. That'll back us up 30 minutes.
Okay, good. Good figuring that out. So we got it here, right? 12:15 here.
Well,
Good job. Now, at 3 hours, we were at 12:45, and we went backwards half an hour. So if we go backwards half an hour from 3 hours, how many hours will that be?
that'll be 2 hours.
2 hours. And how many minutes?
2 hours and 30.
30 minutes. Good job. Right, that's a little better. 2 hours and 30 minutes. Very good. Okay, so this was a fine way of figuring this out. You made a little chart and you walked forward by an hour every time. So you went from 9:45 to 10:45 to 11:45 to 12:45. Oh, wait a minute, but what was the problem with 12:45?
Then it was too far, so we backed up.
So we had to go backwards half an hour. So then we really went minus 30 minutes. So 3 hours minus 30 minutes is 2 hours and 30 minutes. And how did we know that?
Well, because we made a chart and we figured it out.
Okay, but why was subtracting 30 minutes from 3 hours? How did we get 2 hours and 30 minutes?
Because
How long is 1 hour?
1 hour is 60 minutes.
So 3 hours is the same as 2 hours and 60 minutes. And when we take away 30 minutes from that, we get 2 hours and 30 minutes.
Mhm.
Oh, this was a really nice job on this problem. High five. High five. Good job, sweetie pie.